All right, I'm done for the day. That sucks. So I just got the timing cover off. It's just popped down there, and I was just prying it off, with a pry bar, wherever I put that. And it popped out and punched a hole in our AC condenser. You know, that one that I was talking about was super impressive because it had a massive dent and didn't leak? Well, doesn't matter how careful you are, sometimes you still make mistakes, unfortunately. So now he gets a brand new condenser, obviously free of charge. At least, I guess, it happened while everything's out, and it's actually really easy to get to. So there's the silver lining, I guess. But man, that's frustrating. But it's home time. I was going to put in another 20 minutes, but I guess not now. So here, we're going to wait for the gas to clear. I'll come back tomorrow, but it looks like what I probably did was not enough silicon, and that's why we have a leak. So when there's no more steam, I'll come back and reassess and regoop everything and fix it up.